I've got about...
So of course I can get this thing over the pocket.
You know, JC always said call 119.
Quick, what's the number for 911? 119. Little rascal.
Yeah, what's the number for 911?
Ain't no better than us catching the backyard on fire and us screaming to call the fire department. We was the fire department.
Listen to him. He was out back when he lived up there in Corinne, and they were building a brush fire. And a cup leaked through, and they had a trail. The brush fire blew up, and they're on the fire department, mind you. They're just not there. They go in the house and say, or the dad comes out or something and he says, call the fire department. They are the fire department, dummies.
Go in the bathroom. Hey, wait.
Dad took his head door and said, "Party's over.
Yeah, watch that pole.
Put the fire out." We are trying to put the fire out.
I don't see how you could ever get a fire started there.
Oh, well, hey.
Boom.
Woo!
Yeah.
That one coming.
She's like, wait.
Oh, boom. Somebody asked him to do, Alan to do his open.
He just made the Chewbacca sound. Did you hear him?